This film explains how Booth's Garden Studios can install an annex for you under the Caravan Act. This means that as long as you comply with some conditions, you can have an annex installed for a family member without planning permission. Applying for planning permission can take a long time. So if you have a poorly family member who you want close so that you can look after them, having an annex installed under the Caravan Act can be the perfect solution. It's faster and far less stressful for you and your family. Booths have installed hundreds of annexes all over the UK using the Caravan Act. So what conditions do you have to comply with? Firstly, your annex needs to be for a blood relative or family member. It can't be installed in the grounds of a flat or maisonette. It can't be installed in an area of outstanding natural beauty. It can't be installed in the garden of a listed building. It can't be installed in a new build development, as you need to check if it has covenants, which are restrictions which don't allow it. The annex must be incidental to the main house, so your relative will have to spend time in your home and share services and some facilities. It should not be separated by fences and gates, and there should be clear functional relationship between the annex and the house. Then the use is regarded as incidental. Your annex will be positioned to the rear of your house or to its side. Your annex and other garden sheds or garages should not take up more than 50% of the rear or the side of your garden. As long as you comply with these conditions, then you can have an annex installed under the Caravan Act. Booth's Garden annexes are carefully designed to comply with Section 13, Subgroup 2 of the 1968 Caravan Act. For a structure to be treated as a caravan under the Act, it must be composed of not more than 2 sections separately constructed. Once fully assembled, it is capable of being moved by road from one place to another, whether by being towed or by being transported on a motor vehicle or trailer. The annex must be designed to be assembled by bolts as the final act of assembly. It must be for human habitation and include a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and bedroom. The maximum dimensions allowed under the Caravan Act are a depth of 6.8 meters, a length of 20 meters, and an internal ceiling height of 3.05 meters. These measurements are very generous, and all of the Booth's annexes are well within these dimensions. So if you are interested in having an annex installed under the Caravan Act, you can call the team on 07746 66 55 60 or visit our website at boothsgardenstudios.co.uk. Thanks for listening.